Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to repair your Net Framework installation in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and open up any web browser. In this case I use Google Chrome. Go to google.com and hit enter and browse for Net Framework Repair Tool download and hit enter. Go to and select the Microsoft.com official site. One click. Scroll down, select your language. By default, use English and click on download. And wait a moment for your installation. Click on show in folder or go to download directory. Go to download and right click and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, click on yes and click in this check or mark this option. I have read and accept the license terms. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. And click on finish. To apply the change, go to the start menu and select the power up button and click on restart and wait a moment. Log in your desktop. And you can try your new version of Net Framework and run your favorite applications. I hope to help you in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.